Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 4 and 5 from exercise 11.4 chapter 11 perimeter and area. Now in question number 4 it is given that a veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the area of the veranda and cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of 200 per meter square. So according to the question, I have made a rough diagram where ABCD is the room and EFGH I have given as a name of the outsider rectangle room with veranda. Room with veranda. The width of veranda is given 2.25 meter and the length of the room is given 5.5. You can see the length of the room is given 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. It is already given. And the width of the veranda all around the room is 2.25 meter. 2.25 meters. So what you have to find out? We have to find out, first of all, we have to find out the area of the veranda. So, according to this rough diagram, in the rectangle ABCD is the room. So, first of all, we are finding the area of the room. Rectangle ABCD, length is given 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So, easily you can find area of rectangle ABCD equal to length into breadth, that is 5.5 into 4 meter square, which is 22 meter square. Understood? Now I will find the length of the rectangle EFGH, which is room along with veranda. With veranda, the length will become, say, EF will become AB, that 5.5 plus 2.5 from this side and 2.5 from this side. So EF is the length of the outsider rectangular plot. So in rectangle EFGH, EF will be 5.5 first. You can see, students, 5.5, then 2.5 from this side and 2.5 from this side. So 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. If you add, I have done this rough work here. Rough work in the right side column you will do in your copy. So 2.25 plus 2.25, it is 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 0, 4 plus 5 0 plus 5.5. Again you have to add this, then it will become 10 meter. See this addition. Similarly, FG, to find FG, the breadth of the outsider rectangle, it is 4, BC is 4 meter. So with this 4 meter, I have to add 2.25 from this side and 2.25 from this side. Same way I have added in this way, in this 2.25, and with this 2.25, it is 4.5 and then plus 4, it will become 8.5. So 8.5 meter. Now area of the rectangle EFGH, we have to find the area of rectangle. Now if I add all this 8.5, now area of EFGH, that is outside the rectangular portion along with veranda, 10 into 8.5, 85 meter square. 10 into 8.5 meter square, that is 85 meter square. Now area of veranda, 85 is the outer rectangular area and inner rectangular area was 22 meter square. So it will be 3 and 6, 63 meter square. Now cost of cementing the floor at the rate of 200 per meter square we have to find out. Therefore cost of cementing the floor of the veranda. So cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of 200 rupees 200 is area of the veranda is 63. So 63 into rupees 200 multiply, and you will get 0, 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So 12,600 rupees. So area of the veranda, first of all you have to find out. In the question it was given, find the area of the veranda. It is 63 meter square. Cost of cementing the veranda. Next question is question number 5. A path of 1 meter wide is built along a border inside the garden, square garden of side 30 meter. So it is a square garden, so length and breadth are both are 30 meter. So area is 30 into 30 meter square, that is 900 meter square. As the in the question, 1 meter path is constructed inside the garden. So the area of the garden for the portion of area of the garden will be, I am taking as in the rough sketch EFGH. It is 1 meter path is left in this way, in this side and in this side. So what will be the length of EF? We have done so many times this kind of sums. As this one is less than 30, so I have to subtract it, 1 meter and 1 meter from this side you have to subtract, and this side, from this side also I have to subtract 1 meter and 1 meter. So 30 minus 1 and 1, that is 30 minus 2, 28. Same way in the breadth also, because it is also 30. So 1 meter from this side I have to subtract, and from this side I have to subtract. So FG will be 28. Now area of the path, you know that area of ABCD minus area of EFGH, that is 30 into 30 and minus 28 into 28, that is 900 minus 784 meter square, and it will be 116 meter square. Subtract and you will get 116 meter square. Now what was the question? Find the area of the path. So area of the path you have seen that it is 116 meter square. Now the next question is the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden. Cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden, that means not excluding the path. The remaining portion of the garden is 28 into 28. So cost of planting the grass in 784 meter square is, you have to, at the rate of rupees 40, it will be rupees 40 into 784. From your question you can see that it is rupee per meter square, rupees 40. So if you multiply these, you will get 0, 6, 4 4 16, and then 32 plus 1 33, 1, so 31. So 31,360 rupees. I hope the sums are very similar. You can understand easily, but you need to practice. Thank you, students.